Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm Andy RC and today I'm going to be doing a giveaway of the AuroraRC mini fight. Now I know there hasn't been a lot of content on the channel recently, and that is because a lot of Europe are struggling with a blizzard and have been doing all week, so it's just impossible to fly. But as soon as that has cleared, hopefully next week, there should be some more content coming on the channel. Anyways, I thought this was a good opportunity to do a giveaway of this guy. Now the giveaway is going to be in conjunction with GearBest, so you're not going to be receiving this particular one. It's going to be a brand new one, and all you have to do to enter is leave a comment in the below. Just one comment. Duplicate comments will get ignored completely. You need to have liked this video and also be subscribed to the channel, and all that I have to do to be able to give this away is mention that on the 26th of March to the 2nd of April there's going to be a GearBest promotion, so look out for that. And I'm going to pick the winner in a different way this time, because in the past what I've done is I've made this video and then in a week's time I've picked somebody off screen and contacted them privately. And what happens a lot of the time is that people don't have their messages turned on, so I end up having to give them like 3 days to reply, and then they don't reply, and I have to move on to someone else, and there's a pool of people who could have won that just didn't make it, and I know people want to know who has won. So the way that I'm going to do it this time is in a week's time, on the 11th of March, I'm going to make a video and I'm going to randomly pick somebody, and then I'm going to leave it up to that person to send me a message. So come back on the 11th of March to see who the winner is, and as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.